Hi, this is Polo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Keap, also known as Infusionsoft, to your AEvent account, enable it for your timeline, and the on-registration options available once it is successfully integrated. Alright, once you're logged into AEvent, please click on Integrations. Click on Add Integration. Look for Keap by typing it in the search box. Click Add Integration. Type in your preferred name for the integration. Please label it accordingly to easily identify it when integrating multiple accounts. For this example, I'm typing Keap1. Click Connect. Now it will ask for your Keap email address and password. Once you have these entered, click Login. You'll then be prompted to authorize AEvent. Click Allow. We have successfully added Keap to our integrations. Now let's test it. Go back to the integrations page. Look for Keap. Now click Test. Great. We have successfully established a connection between Keap and AEvent. Now let's add or enable Keap for our timeline. Let's open our timeline and click on the Integrations section. Look for Keap. Toggle the switch to add or enable Keap for our timeline. Once enabled, we can now access the integration settings by clicking on the gear icon. From here, you can see the on-registration options for Keap. You can select a campaign and/or a tag you want registrants added to upon registration. Click on Select a Campaign and choose your desired campaign from the list. The same with Tag. Select your desired tag from the list. Once you're done, click on Update Settings at the bottom to save your changes. This is also where you can add or select the custom fields you want for your personalization values for Keap. Once you add or select these custom fields, AEvent will pass on these information to Keap. That would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment below. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.